Many first-time travelers assume modern European accommodations feature reliable central air conditioning. In reality, outside of high-end international hotels, powerful climate control is remarkably scarce. Older European buildings often lack the infrastructure for modern HVAC units, relying instead on archaic architecture. Always filter your booking criteria explicitly for air conditioning or prepare to endure sticky, restless nights tossing and turning in the heat. Urban design across Europe relies heavily on historic stone, dense marble, and thick concrete. During peak summer, these historic materials behave like literal stone ovens. They absorb and trap scorching thermal energy all day long, and then steadily radiate that intense heat right back out into the narrow streets long after the sun goes down. Surviving a European heatwave requires abandoning typical continuous sightseeing schedules in favor of a split-day routine. Dedicate the early morning hours from 7 to 11 a.m. to exploring outdoor sites while the air is still cool. As the sun peaks from noon to 5 p.m., execute the Mediterranean lockdown strategy, retreat indoors for a cool shower and an afternoon rest. When outdoor temperatures spike to dangerous levels and heat exhaustion sets in, look for the universal sign of medical relief. European pharmacies are easily identified by flashing bright green crosses. These establishments serve as accessible neighborhood medical hubs where licensed pharmacists can provide immediate first aid guidance, oral rehydration salts, and electrolyte packets. Avoid wasting money on expensive single-use water bottles at every tourist stop. Instead, download local water finder applications to locate thousands of public ice-cold alpine water fountains available across historic cities like Rome and Paris. These refreshing, continuously running municipal taps provide clean, free drinking water for anyone carrying a reusable bottle. Navigating European dining requires understanding local cafe culture. To avoid an espresso or a pastry, while standing upright at the bar counter is fast and inexpensive. Conversely, choosing to sit down at an outdoor table often triggers a mandatory service fee known as a Coperto, which can drastically inflate your final bill. Iconic landmarks like the Roman Colosseum sell out official tickets months in advance, leaving many travelers stranded. When primary options are completely exhausted, utilize the booking backdoor hack by checking reputable third-party platforms like Viator or GetYourGuide, which frequently hold pre-purchased block tickets integrated into guided tours. Leave oversized, heavy suitcases at home when traveling through historic European destinations. Dragging a massive 25-kilogram bag across uneven, jagged cobblestone streets or hauling it up endless flights of stairs will quickly destroy your luggage wheels and drain your energy. Streamline your packing strategy and stick exclusively to a carry-on. Like and subscribe. Info Lark. Get smarter in minutes.